What's up guys, welcome back to another video.
Another banger video. Today we're right here waiting for the homie. We're about to get some Korean barbecue.
My mask too, bitch.
Ahaha. Hee hee. Bro, look, I thought that.
Boy, if you don't get
Look, bro, there's an owl up there. What are you doing?
I'm jumping so that you can complete your vlog. What's up guys, welcome back to another
Banger video.
Why the fuck is your fucking lens so fucking dirty, dog? Hold up. Hello?
Is it better?
Fuck no, baby! How good is it?
Okay, this can't go in the video.
No.
What the fuck are we doing? Sit on the curry.
No ginger? Okay, thank you. Ginger? Okay. That's a good to go for me. No ginger in it, you guys. I can survive now. Inche mutum.
Ola, when the meat comes, Eric John? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're the chef for today, huh?
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Oh,
honestly, we stopped counting after like the 6th round.
Round two?
Which one? Hey bro, he wasn't kidding. That thing, before it was cooked, it was like long as hell.
That's what she said.
Now it's small. Look at it.
Cut it. I'm guessing it's a portion because usually they give 2 of those strips.
Possible.
This is half.
Food vlog, question mark?
Question.
It's Corona time.
Jesus Christ, you good bro? Corona? Go.
Are your test results back before I go home to my family?
Fuck you did. Eric John, how's the food tasting? For this? Ooh, very good. Thank you, my friend. Say hi to the YouTube. Tell them to make sure they subscribe.
Thank you so much.
Oh yes sir, thank you very much. 5-star for you. Yes sir, we just wrapped up the food. That shit was a banger.
Yeah.
Oh, that
food was so good.
That was amazing. English, bro.
Oh,
English.
Guys,
I don't want to like edit the video
on this way.
He's turtling right now. That's very cut it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Eric, where's the whip? Where's the? You brought the Bentley today?
Hiding behind your car.
We got an M8 right here, and the homie's whip. Yeah, we're gonna pretend like that's not there. We got the homie's E92 M3. You already know the vibes. Ooh,
335.
homie got the gutted seats in here.
Cannot see, I'm legally blind.
Not gutted seats, but like you get what I'm saying, like the guts, like red interior. You already know the vibes. But anyways,
Popcorn you have?
you guys selling popcorn?
Maybe.
Just a little bit.
On the next episode of Bachelors. On the next episode of 6 Guys 1 Car.
Up here in Glendale, wrong city, wrong city.
I forgot I love
All right, good talk. You guys already know we're producing so many bangers. Hey bro, tell them what they have to do already.
Like, subscribe.
Retake. Hold up.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, lap, loop, leap.
Boy, if you don't get
Lap.
It's on the red light. It's just as soon as it turns green.
You don't even have to do it at that point.
It's just fun.
So where are we, Mr.
Glenn. Egon. The lineup is coming right there.
This is Glendale International Raceway, everybody.
They're talking to each other when they're driving slow next to each other.
It's a 40-year-old. 40-year-old.
Where? That?
I swear to God, if I put
Upper like
You gotta cut the moments that they cuss a lot?
Huh?
You gotta cut out the moments that they cuss a lot?
Well, yeah, I mean, my parents and stuff watch too.
Oh shit! I thought that was for YouTube. I thought you get demonetized or
Nah,
some
bro.
shit.
I don't care. There's like,
My bad, George's mom and dad.
it's okay.
We apologize for the profanity. We are professionals.
Professional idiots.
At least we're not the
it literally took us
dumbasses that are
3
driving.
fucking hours to change 3 hoses.
Why are you saying we?
You were there too, sweetheart.
For real? Damn!
We're just standing.
I was there to support.
You was the cheerleader. You was the napkin
I was
guy.
the
Let's go, guys! Hooray!
left.
Here, gay.
Gay. Imagine the AMGs. Gay.
That's what it means.
Hey Tom.
No one's giving me a
Where are we going?
answer, bro.
You want to go?
Shoot gun.
Look, it's set. Sunday we're going. Who comes, comes. Who doesn't come is a bitch.
9.
Back at it again. We're out here fucking shooting and shit. We don't have the vlog camera, but we're just gonna go with the fucking phone. You guys already know the vibes. This
We
is
have
going
to
in
put the
the
E30 over there.
Huh?
Then home bed cut today with the shotgun just blow the fuck out of the car.
Boys, say hi to the YouTube. Eric John, what are you doing, bro?
Yalla!
Fuck no, baby. Yes.
Don't let this be our final song.